Mobile home floor is not level. Is floor leveling compound hard to use?
Nope. No, it's not.
It's easy.
It's something less skilled than drywall finishing. You're trying to get it level, and you can use any number of flat things to get it flat. It's more about getting used to mixing it, and so it's a plastic-like consistency. That term is something you got to get used to, because that's a term they use for a lot of things. But that floor leveler, that usually comes about whenever you have one material that's different than another. So what you might want to do is try to add shims if it's too low, or see what you can do to raise the material around it. But if you can't, the floor leveler is something I use all the time. It's a necessary thing. It's not really hard to use. It's not at all. So it's part of flooring on concrete or a mobile home floor or a house. House. It's you use it in any kind of flooring. It's quite normal. So don't feel like it's just mobile homes.